Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. Today in this video we are going to give away some really cool stuff, so stick around. You know guys, in the beginning of this build, KTM 300, you see right here, I asked your help, if you can donate, help, chip in to build this bike. And there was many guys that helped me out, like maybe 20 people that sent donation to this build. And I have all of you names on the side of a bike, printed on the decals. And I said that if you're able to give more than $100 at the end of the build, I will make a custom hoodies and then ship it to you as my gratitude. And today I'm happy to announce that finally I got this hoodie printed. I got the really cool design and then printed the hoodies. And today I will be giving it away to two guys and I'm really grateful. And their names are Chris Bark and Tom Bank. So Chris and Tom, thanks a lot. You guys are going to get these really cool looking hoodies. Thank you so much for your support, for your help on the bike, but also thank you for being my friend. We communicate through emails and it's really great. I'm happy to get new friends through the channel. It's really a great thing. Okay, so this is the hoodie that you guys are going to get. So here in the front I put Dirt and Iron, obviously, and then Stay Motivated down the sleeve. But then here in the back, I think it's pretty cool design, check it out. It's a Dirt and Iron, and then we got the KTM 300 doing wheelie with pro rider, it's David Pingree on it, and then KTM 300 SX off-road build. So this is the hoodie. There are only two hoodies that exist with this design, and one will go to Chris, another one will go to Tom. Another thing I want to give away today is this wheel bearing set from Factory Links. Factory Links are a company that is also sponsoring this video, and they will ship this link to one of you lucky winners. Last video when I was using their kit on my Husaberg, I asked you to comment on the video, to like it, to follow Instagram, and many of you did. So I gathered all of you guys and put them on a list. My kids were watching over me, make sure that I will be legit when I pick randomly one of you. And the random guy is Sean Phillips. So Sean, congratulations man, you are going to get Factory Links waterproof wheel bearing set for your YZ250F, I believe it is. So send me email or comment below. I think I have your address, but in case something changed, just let me know below in the comments and email me. Alright my friend, so let me put this hoodie on just to show you that it looks pretty cool. It took some time, it took some time. I was trying to come up with really good design and I was playing with many ideas, and finally I think I got it right. It got it to the point where I like it, so you guys should like it too, hopefully. Alright, so we got Dirt and Iron, Stay Motivated down the sleeve, and then here in the back you have this nice design of a bike and everything. So this is for Tom and Chris, but if you guys want to get a hoodie, I'm actually thinking, because many of you are asking me through comments, also through email, when I'm gonna start selling a hoodie, so with Dirt and Iron and everything. So I'm working on a design currently, and I will be selling them maybe in like next couple of weeks or so. So if you are interested, please let me know below in the comments, so I kind of have an idea how many guys would like to get a hoodie. Okay, and one more thing I want to talk about, actually two more. So first thing would be, there behind is RMC 450, and that's my another build, right? And I'm also gonna need your help on that build. So if you want to help me out, if you feel like you have some cash to spare, you can help me to build that bike. I will put your name on the side of the bike just like I did on the KTM 300. And if you can do more than $100, I will do custom hoodie just like this one at the end of the build of that RMC 450. I'm gonna put a PayPal link, so you can do it a PayPal or a credit card. I'll put two links below in the description. And the last thing I wanted to talk about today is that we are going to do this kind of giveaways once a month at least. So Factory Links will sponsor once a month giveaway. They will give the bearing set of your choice, not only wheel bearings, also linkage bearing or swing arm bearing, whatever you need for your bike. They can send it to you. So they will be shipping this directly. This is my wheel bearing for Husaberg, but they will shipping the wheel bearing for Sean from their factory. So once a month they will sponsor the giveaway, and then very soon I will have a giveaway coming that will be sponsored by Fly Racing, and something really cool we are going to give away. So you better stay tuned to all my videos as you can win something really nice. Alright my friend, that's about it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know how you like these hoodies. Let me know if you want to get another hoodie, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.